Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20 Pro. Today I'll show you how to manage your Google Pay account. Firstly, open Google Pay. Next, we've got this main screen. Here we can add fast add payment method and add cards. By clicking here, we've got access to our payment methods and list of participating banks. Next, we can see our activity and set settings. We've got contactless support and help. Also, we can send feedback. By clicking here, we've got access to our Google account. Always make sure if you pay with Google Pay to have NFC turned on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.